I'm a big man, I'm a ask the assistant help, we can't get nowhere. I'm fed up. I'm fed up, nobody can help me. Nobody can help me. We can't sleep at roadside, we can't sleep, no man, nobody got throw a stone on my head. Nobody can help me with that money, gun, anything. A $5 or $10 I can pay them people for them room. Please, me I beg you no. Me I beg this man need for look assistant help. Me I cry out this morning on TikTok. Which is Montague, see if you can help me. Me I beg you please. Me I beg you please, Roxy, me I beg you please. Thank you. Me I beg a wheel, please, me I beg a wheel. Please, me I beg a wheel. Please, me I beg a wheel. We talked to people last night, till them said, me I look, me I hustle and can't come get them. Me not have me I beg you to help me. Please, me I beg you, please. Please, me I beg you to help me. Me I beg you, please. Please. I'm fed up. I beg me if you beg last time. Come here. You may tell you.
What are they, man?
See when we get the money for pay the player when the batty man go down my bag and cut the cent to my bag, the batty boy. Yeah. Me no want a friend from the batty man.
You don't see him back, uncle?
No.
You don't see him back?
No, anytime I see me, I call police for him. Yeah.
Yes. That is the right thing.
No, we going last time.
So we're going to the party.
Alright. Never. I'm going to come in about 2 o'clock. Oh, yeah.
So what can you come across there?
Yeah? No, so everybody come and work at them yard. You book up a port. Book the play this thing, yeah? I mean, we can push out on 12 o'clock. Now the money to pay for the payment for their room tonight. I mean, I beg from morning.
You don't get any gift yet, uncle?
No.
Tap up the live, people. Tap up the live and send some gift for uncle. Please and thanks.
Yeah, I mean, can't hold the problem tonight again. Can I hold him last night? I mean,
Uncle need some help, people.
I mean, I have my money to pay my room, then go to my back, then go to my all my mattress, and go to put my money. Cover with my money.
Send some gift for uncle, people, please and thanks. Anything you have, you can send it for uncle. Rose, anything at all. Money gone, donuts.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, baby love.
What's up?
Good afternoon, Candy.
We're okay. Uncle need a little help if you can.
Eh?
You get through the where I come from?
Yeah, we get through. But we have to change the car, we can't change. Come in and I'm going to change the car. The car, $50, have to change the car. And get a no number and everything. I don't have to make it clear.
Oh, yeah, I forget to them charge now for change it.
And how much time they can't do the market because every minute they do it.
Yeah, yeah.
What's going on today?
Me not the money you can see for what I'm rent money. I mean, and I'm not rent money to pay tonight.
Send gift for uncle, people. Send some gift for uncle. Money, gun, donuts.
Then I can't even put on here because some.
Which part you there?
But you know something there already.
Oh.
So where they stole your money, Derrick?
Saturday. People that part, people that rent money, give them their rent. Them place. So where's the candy I pass through?
Yeah.
I'm mad. I don't have a thing in my bed. A week to my belly drop out. Hungry man.
Belly hurt you.
I don't feel bad.
Like the breakfast from morning. So please,
Just get
help
one cup
uncle.
soup. Get 1 cup soup in the meantime. That's just a killer.
My uncle want lunch. He want a nice dinner.
Let me know. I have to talk about my friend. We get the people that money, we can go and go sleep tonight. Then
Yeah.
Okay. True, that is true.
Anybody
That
that
is the
cash
greatest.
$10.
Cash up, Zelle or PayPal.
What up, teacher? What up, teacher? Me, I call it, we can't get it. We have teacher, me there. I'm going to help teacher, I'm going to help. Don't people look up money, people anyway.
See, I get gift the uncle.
Wow.
Thanks.
Hey, thank you, uncle.
Thank you.
We can't make uncle sleep outside in the people because we don't want anything to happen to him. So,
Let me drop some. Let me drop some on my head. Let me drop some.
yeah, and we don't want to hear that.
Yeah.
We don't want the internet to see that or hear that. Help out uncle, people. Send some gifts for uncle. We appreciate anything you send.
Teacher, me go out to my friend's shop. Me go to my friend's shop later.
Come on, people, tap up the live, people.
No can name from people.
Send some rose. Thank you for the rose.
Thank you. Me from some people, you know, once when we find a candy, I'll give me food, but nobody else can give me food. I'm there, my friend shop, me give me something. Now I can, and I'm from people.
50 people send 50 rose. Can 50 people send 50 rose? Let me start off with 50 rose, please.
Yeah, me hungry. Yeah. And you have to be hungry. We eat. I put him in a funny work. You can't walk and tea. It's too cold for walk and tea.
P2, can you send some rose for uncle, please? You know, just say uncle hungry, can you help him out?
Yeah, no tea from like that. People, but the man in my tea. You walk and tea.
Lee, you got share with now? You good man. You got show yourself.
So you must say that she went.
That me I say and him darling. And I want you to love me.